We've developed a bit of a pattern this week in that the last 1 hour of trade, we've showing a bit of a rally. Some days it's cooling off, some days it's sustaining. So for example, both on Thursday and today, Friday, the late hour rally seems to be sustaining, and which is a great part from a market, from a bull's perspective. It's a bit of a disbelief because I've been believing that there is a correction round the corner. That is not coming. So great news to the bulls. Today, it was led by the moves in Larsen and Toubro, for example. There was State Bank of India, which did well. Reliance did well. So some heavyweights participated and negated the kind of hammering that Axis Bank took because of possible selling by a private equity fund next week, or for that matter, the kind of downticks that we saw in select IT names like HCL Technologies as well. So that was the nature of the move today. 2 days in a trot, I presume we'll have some fairly good buying. Yesterday, the FIs bought about 1,600 odd crores. Today, for the first day of a new series, the volumes were much higher, which is also a bit of a positive. So the usual suspects, Axis and HCL Tech didn't do well. Wipro, because of the bonus, did well. Larsen and Toubro, SBI, Reliance were the key poster boys on the gainer side. At the broader end of the spectrum, we really had some gainers. So PI Industries had multiple brokerage upgrades today. That stock ended close to 10% higher. Tire stocks in a frenzy ahead of the results next week. See it up about 9%. Zomato has very quietly moved from nearly 51, 52 rupees sometime 2 weeks ago to 65. It's been a one-way move of sorts for Zomato as well. And then there were some other movers like Indus Towers, for example, because they're pushing Vodafone to give them the dues, etc. There were losers, of course. Raymond and Godrej Consumer engaged in the deal, which the street has not liked. Both the stocks corrected in trade. There's some pull back into stocks like Mahindra CIE after a stupendous gain, but nothing to worry about there. Net, it's turned out to be a week which has been in favor of the bulls. Can it last ahead of the FOMC meet and ahead of the Karnataka elections coming up in the next 12 days? That is the key question for a market which is looking slightly overbought. I think we'll get the answers in a truncated week, which is coming up next.